Hi guys, welcome to Light Fish here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recalibrate your fingerprint scanner on a Realme device. So what at my first I have my trusty old Realme GT2 Pro with me over here. So this device has suffered the infamous line issue earlier, due to which I had to take this to the service center. It took around 2 months and finally my display was replaced perfectly. But the issue that it caused was now my fingerprint scanner is not working. And as it turns out, this has not been calibrated by the solution. I went there, I asked them to calibrate it, but unfortunately they didn't have the calibration device with them. So I had no other way but to purchase mine. So here I have this optical fingerprint calibrator which I would use today to calibrate this smartphone optical sensor. Okay. And this calibration process is for optical sensors, now called infrared points, and this is for all Realme devices. It will work for all Realme, Oppo, Vivo. And if you have any other device like let's say Samsung or something else, you can just the process will remain the same, only just a few steps here and then it will be. So you need to figure that out. Now before starting, I'm just going to first clean the surface. Right, and here I have the tempered glass now. Because I want to remove the tempered glass. Let's see if I'm able to do this with the tempered glass or not. But generally it is recommended to remove the tempered glass. I'll just unlock the device. I'm trying to use like serious unlock only as the fingerprint is not working. So now go to the dialer, keypad, and here we have to type in our first code. That will be the bar hash 899 hash. Okay. And this is what you will get after save page. Here go to after fill devices calibration and open. Okay. Yes, second. Okay. So here you will see the after save page and here go to after fill devices calibration. Over here you'll get this pop-up. Click on it and enter the code 6776. And then click on OK. So this will come up. Now I'll first click on turn collect screen calibration. SS. Go back. Select pass. Now back color screen calibration. I will click on it. Access. Go back. Select. Now you will get the fingerprint optical animation. You click on start. Now they are saying please press the yellow rubber. So I'm going to open the graphics first of all here. And this basically I purchased from the Amazons. So I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video if you want to play graphics for your first. So just work with this. So it comes with this and a couple of these rubber blocks. So definitely the yellow rubber. So we have only these. I'm assuming this is the yellow one. Okay. Actually orange. So I'll just quickly open this block. Hope it fits. And once it's put it, just light this a bit. And I just press it over here. Press it over here. And then click on this. So now they're saying to press the black button. What if it's a black board? Let me just insert it in the other hole. And I inserted it and again just give it a thick white. And then I just press this on that same white spot. And click on next tab. Now they're saying to press the yellow stripped. So just the one you can see one side of this is plain and this side is basically striped. Okay. So again keep this striped side outside. Insert it in another one and just place it here and click on next. Okay, so now that build. Okay, so that is not successful. In the calibration now, we have to go to the next parts. So now you're going to try to okay. So now let me try to check if my fingerprint is working or not. So I'll just go to settings and fingerprint to prevent privacy blockade. Very person. If fingerprint is safe and right, I'll fingerprint. This is my task. Right, you can try along. You might have play by fingerprint rule. If it's not taking it, I should see. You can see now I'm able to add my fingerprint to Romeo. That. So now you can see it works. And the one inside to this is that you need this device, which is some a bit expensive. On the expensive side, straightforward does around if you use a lot of distance and cleanliness, sort of, and especially application, these rubber bands, they should be absolutely clean. That's development work. So if you really want to this development, as I should, it's a great thing. But again, but if you want to save your time, just go to phone repair shop and get it done for this. So that's all in this video. If you like this video and if this video was helpful for you, do like this video and like this videos, then please do a video audience. And thanks for watching.